India has so far recorded 150 cases of the Omicron strain of the novel coronavirus, which experts say may outpace the Delta variant. The new variant was first reported by the World Health Organization from South Africa on November 25th this year. All India Institute of Medical Sciences Director Dr. Randeep Guleria said on Sunday in an interview to news agency ANI, "We should prepare and hope that things are not as bad as in the United Kingdom. We need more data on Omicron. Whenever there is a surge in cases in other parts of the world, we need to monitor it closely and be prepared for any eventuality. It is better to stay prepared than to get caught off guard." From Monday, that is today, December 20th, new rules kickstart in 6 major airports in metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad and Kolkata. International passengers arriving in these cities from at-risk countries will have to mandatorily pre-book RT-PCR tests as per instructions issued by the Civil Aviation Ministry last week. As per a government notification, the Air Suvidha portal would be modified to accommodate passengers who are arriving from the at-risk countries or have visited those in the last 14 days. The ministry said that the Air Suvidha portal would be leveraged to pre-book these tests. Also, it said that after stabilizing the system and ensuring that passengers do not face any major hassle in pre-booking, the rule can be extended to other airports too. Airports in India have been conducting both rapid and regular RT-PCR tests to detect, track and study the presence of SARS-CoV-2 in individuals. The samples detected for COVID-19 now are sent to gene sequencing labs to determine the presence of the Omicron strain.